Our range of three-way forklifts makes the most of every inch of your space. The ride-on type ensures comfort, safety, and endurance. The side-loading model offers agile operation and a superb view. The fork rotates 180 degrees to directly pick up and place goods on both sides. Articulated body design, mast and fork rotate 180 degrees. Directly pick up and place goods on both sides. The body always moves straight, and the efficiency is extremely high. Designed for warehouses with extremely narrow aisles and high storage density.